Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss if the pixel is getting trained or not. So for all of us that we are old in the game and we advertise for a very long period of time, this was one of the non-debatable things. Now, as the time passes by and there are more people that they're having YouTube channels, public opinion speakers and stuff, but not Meta in this case, they're just saying that the pixel is not getting trained. In my opinion, they do it because they try to differentiate, okay? They try to say something which is so controversial that is going to create a lot of conflict, and all of that, and people are going to discuss about it so that they're going to become viral, or they're going to show that they have a completely different philosophy which is differentiating them from the others and they are better and stuff. So this is a normal thing that is happening in the industry. But I was thinking with some of my students, friends and stuff, how can we actually contradict the fact that there are some people that they're saying that the pixels are not getting trained? Let me tell you. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. The problem with the Facebook ads is that, and apparently all of these people, they're just using again the same example again and again, which is just showing their cable charger, and they say that the pixel is just a cable which is reporting data from your store and is not getting trained, it does nothing. And they all use the same example, which makes me think that they all have seen it somewhere, or each person has seen it from another person, from one person that started all of this with this very nice example, which is actually nice because you show a cable charger and you say that it's like a cable charger, something daily, nothing extra, nothing special about it. So for all of us that we advertise for a long period of time, this is bullshit. Because, we have seen the pixels that they're getting trained. I have showed you ad accounts that they're, for example, in the Christian niche, and you can see that you're having lower CPM. But even if you're saying all of these things, they can say that the ad account is getting trained, which I also believe that the ad accounts, they do tend to form behaviors and all of that. And it's not only about the pixel. On the other hand, we have the paradox over here that all of these people that they're talking that the pixels are not getting trained, and they're saying that it doesn't matter. When they change ad accounts, because apparently it's coming from the drop shipping niche mostly, and these groups that they're pretending that they know how to do Facebook ads by just running ads for 2 hours. If they don't work, we close them. If it works, we duplicate it, and doing all of this crazy stuff just to differentiate, and show that they're doing something different, that everybody can follow it, it can work. 99% of the people are failing, nobody talks about them, and the 1% that's going to be successful because the product is working, it's going to be the case study of the group, and this strategy is working and all of that. Madness. But at the end of the day, they're saying things like that, but we need, as more educated people in the ads platform, in the Facebook ads platform, to be able to contradict. So what's the argument? The argument here cannot be that based on my experience, what I see on other accounts, because yes, I have this experience and I have people that I'm working with that we're doing ads in another ad account, but using the same pixel, and things are working really well. Using a new pixel, things are not working as they used to work with the older pixel, then we changed the pixel and it was working again. But these are not arguments. I cannot prove anything with that because it's just my word against them. The only thing that I have found which is actually proving that the pixels are getting trained is the value optimization. So when you're doing value optimization and you're having a new pixel, Facebook doesn't let you do it. And it says that in order for you to do value optimization, you need to gather more data into your pixel. So you cannot use value optimization unless if you have a lot of data in the pixel. That means that the pixel is storing data. Along with some old logs from Meta talking about the pixel, saying that the pixel is keeping logs of data and all of that. But the idea that we have about the pixel, me and many others, is that it's getting trained. It understands more the ideal avatar clients, and basically it's targeting better. That's why, for example, when you start with a new pixel, you're not having that efficient targeting, and eventually it's targeting better. But even for this one, they can say that the ad account is the one that's making the difference, despite the fact that when they are changing ad accounts because they got banned because they are dropshippers, they are changing also their pixel. Anyway, that's my reasoning on why the pixel is actually getting trained, and I believe this is something that they cannot contradict because it's actually there. If you have a new pixel, you cannot run value optimization ads because you need to gather data of the pixel. This is what the message says when you try to do it. So this is something that, an argument that they cannot contradict, and I hope that this madness with the pixel not getting trained is going to stop. The other problem is that Meta is not clear about it. You know, I have talked with Meta reps and stuff. Some of them told me that they get trained, some of them that it doesn't.
Nice job, team.
So it's not like we have an official documentation from Meta saying how it's working. To me, I'm 100% sure that it's getting trained from the behavior that I have seen. But at the end of the day, it's not a correct argument to say that it's because I have seen it from my experience to other accounts, you know? So my argument was this. I hope that it's going to help some of you, and maybe you have another idea about it and you can tell me in the comments. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website, and of course you can check my mentorship programs, and below my mentorship programs you can check all the people that have completed the mentorship programs and the reviews. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.